G'day, g'day. Haven't had any updates for a while, so I thought I'd do a little update. Can't remember what I've been doing the last month or so because so much has happened. Got another staff member here, so there's 3 of us now. And it's just been hectic, but good. This is Harvey's conversion. I said I wouldn't do any more TD ones, as you know. We probably will. We're doing this one purely because Harvey has the same birthday as me, so you're welcome, Harvey. And yeah, it's past the pits and pretty much ready to hand over now. And then borrowing a dyno off a mate, Bishop's Dynos, so thanks for that. And then yeah, the day I picked that up, I found out mine's pretty much ready, so that's going to be awesome. They were testing it during the week. Pretty stoked to be getting that. Got a Rodeo to tune up today. What else we got? We got a 79 over here. No, 76, sorry. 2021. It's getting a DPF delete. It's getting a G350, it's already got that. It's got a G turbo power pipe and our PDC fabrication airbox for all the flow. So yeah, getting an exhaust from turbo back to get rid of the DPF and a remap. So that'll be sick. Box is looking disgraceful. Been too busy working to clean it. That's actually been cleaned by the work experience kids, so. Input shaft, did a clutch on this thing yesterday. I started off 8 years ago doing heavy stuff on the road in my ute, like earth moving trucks, boats, but I just do 4-wheel drives now. It's much better, way less stress. But still have this client, they've been good to us and they pay us well, so we keep doing their work. Even though they put the pressure on us to do clutch jobs in the middle of the week when we're already flat out busy. Yeah, got to take it while you can. Yeah, been in business since 2014. A lot of people wouldn't pick how old I am. I won't tell you, you'll find out one day. But yeah, I've been working on the tools much longer than that. I did my apprenticeship in a heavy diesel workshop. We used to maintain a fleet of civil engineering equipment. So scrapers, excavators, bulldozers, road trains, trucks, like all sorts of old crappy machines, Land Cruisers, Hiluxes, Navaras, Subaru WRXs even. So yeah, seen a fair bit. We didn't have a hoist at that workshop either because they used to keep the bays free so they could fit machines in there as well. So all of that work was done on the floor as if we were at home. So yeah, learnt a lot in a short time, smashing hours out at that shop. Very old school sort of shop. Not many like it anymore, and it's gone now, so yeah, wasn't thankful for working there at the time, but looking back at it, definitely am. Yeah, wouldn't be where I am today without it. Pretty bloody rare that you see me here on a Saturday. Even rarer to see this guy. And look what he brought. Little Stumpy. The ZD swap Stumpy. Loading a file into that Rodeo ECU. Brayden's putting his shockies in, he reckons. He's in the process of getting the cab swap and engine conversion engineered. How's that going for him?
Oh, working a treat.
It's been a while since I've seen this puppy. Hasn't been driven much. He's waiting to get it all engineered, so going through the process of all that. And then pimping it a bit more. And the file has been written. We'll pop it in and see how much we need to modify it. Yeah, it needs a bit more. Just checked all the vitals, rail pressure and boost and AFRs and whatnot. It's all sweet. 150 horsepower, 934 foot-pounds of torque. I don't think the torque's reading accurately on this, but the horsepower seems to be spot on. But it's a 50% increase in torque, which is good from what it started at. And the dyno's only a tuning tool anyway, so you just want to know that you're improving on what you started with even if the numbers aren't quite right for the torque there. Yeah, we'll have our new dyno in a few weeks, so then we won't have any of those issues and we'll have it set up bang on. Doing a bit of road testing in her, make sure she drives nice. She does. Checking absolute map pressure and fuel rail pressure while we're out. Make sure that's all sweet. The surrounds off the gear stick because we put a clutch in this, an RMR clutch. Make sure she's all sweet. So yeah, which is a good thing now. Solid drive line, clutch that won't wear out, and plenty of power. This is a basically stock RA Rodeo 2007. It's got a 3-inch exhaust on it, the remap, and obviously our clutch. Stock turbo and intercooler. It's making 37 absolute pressure, so that's atmospheric, and boost pressure on top of that, so that's about 22 psi. And yeah, that's about all you can push these factory turbos to, so if he wants to go more power, he'll need bigger injectors and better turbo, etc, etc. But he'll be happy for now. That's not bad for a stock turbo, dude.
Still, I want more.
Yeah?
They stayed at 17 the whole time.
It's pretty low.
Yeah,
I told you it was 190 horsepower when I drove it. I'm the human dyno. Yeah, it's pushing it, hey.
The old stock turbo.
I wouldn't want to see your exhaust manifold pressure.
That'd be gross, mate.
Need to go camping and mountain biking next week. I should hit Kiwi up and see if he'll lend me one of these things. This going to be ready for me to take on Wednesday?
No worries.
Sweet. I just need to fit a bike in the back, is that alright?
Motorbike?
No, push bike. Just a push bike. Yeah, I'll need it for Wednesday if that's alright. If I leave Tuesday afternoon, actually.
It could be done.
We're on. Glue the ECU shut with this stuff. It says it causes cancer, so you know it's good. What? Bang that lid on, and she's dust free, water free. Well, life's been pretty peachy lately. Work's going good. Mine's been pretty good. Been catching up with heaps of people and meeting new people that have been awesome to hang out with and encouraging, and yeah. Seen my missus a couple of times, my wife. First time wasn't too bad, had a good chat. Second time was horrendous. So yeah, don't know what's going on there. Just going to carry on doing what I'm doing and leave it up to yeah, God pretty much. The reason I say all this is because I'm a sensitive new age guy. Not really. I just feel like, and many dudes have reached out and said that, yeah, guys don't talk about this stuff, and yeah, shit hits the fan and bad things happen to people and they don't talk about it, and you know, sometimes they top themselves or just make dumb decisions and make their life harder. So yeah, need to talk about it, I feel like. So yeah, sorry about it. And yeah, sold this thing, hopefully. Bloke called Banjo is bringing some cash around, so that'll be nice. Yeah, sad, very sad to see it go. Had some bloody good memories in her. But yeah, got other things to do. Got other patrols, other vehicles. I'll survive. That was pretty much a whole Saturday with me, other than watching me clean the house. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care, brush your hair.
Yeah, I'm from the side of the tracks where they never relax. Whatever for stacks, they pull Berettas and Jack. Long way from the days where they peddled the crack, so the family can settle in flats around town. Surround sound from everywhere they echo the facts. But the criminals won't let go to max at minimal. They taking off your tennis shoes, leather and hat. In the inner city ghetto for scratch. Nightly and Spike Lee can duplicate the terror in that. Where the pigs like to settle with rats. Smoking pot while the pot tried to tell the kettle was black. On the news talking terror attacks. But I'm no fool because my mama taught me better than that. Stand strong while the devil reacts. And if I ever make it out the hood, I better go back to let them know that I'm repping the pack. Straight up Detroit City, y'all. Yeah, crib. Yeah, we show 'em what it is. Showing how we live. Even if I'm starving and you can see my ribs, I never go against it. When I'm gone, I miss it. Yeah, the crib. Yeah, we show 'em what it is. Showing how we live. Even if I'm starving and you can see my ribs, I never go against it. When I'm gone, I miss it. Second phase, weapon raised. Making moves, still looking for a better day. Yeah, they call me a failure, but now I got it sewn up tailored. Suited to play, move out the way. Try to stop me, I'm fearless. Going kamikaze, I live this. This is not a hobby. Get back what you put in. I'll never half-step it up, I'll never half-rep it up. I'm all in. Hotter than Scalding. I'm doing this music cause I answer my calling. I fed the wind with caution. Scary isn't in my dictionary. From the cradle to the cemetery. Making plans with the visionaries. Trying to make change while we make change.